All right, last time I came out here, this seemed to be a highlight. People really like seeing this. This is the Young Cemetery. So I don't really want to go in there. I don't want to disturb grounds. I don't really like doing that. But yeah, I'm out at a hiking trail. Umstead Park. There's a lot of these little things around here like this. This used to be a settlement out here. So there's still some family cemeteries and buildings and things of that nature. And this is the trail. Coolest morning I've had so far. Honestly, all the pine needles now, it's a little hard to see the trail. Beautiful out here though, nice and cool. Feels like an October day. I think I'm on the trail. Is it up here? There's so many pine needles I can't see. Here we go. This is the trail. Oops. Yep, heading down the trail. All right. Time to listen to little Joni Mitchell and get lost in the woods.